she was 69 years old. She thought she found love. She lost £1 million, and then she lost her life. It started in 2017. Janet Fordham met a man online. He claimed to be a British Army Sergeant Major in Syria. The scammer spent months building trust, isolating her from family. She sold her home, borrowed from relatives, and drained her pension. She even withdrew £500 in cash daily. In total, she lost over $1.3 million to a heartless, global criminal syndicate. These syndicates are targeting your family right now. Subscribe and share this video. You could save a life. The tragedy did not end with bankruptcy. A second scammer, Kofi. Despite desperate pleas from her family, Janet flew to Accra. On Valentine's Day, Kofi was driving her when the car crashed. Janet was killed instantly. Kofi walked away with a fine. The money is gone. The damage is permanent. Never send money to someone you have only met online. Stay vigilant, stay safe. We will see you next time.